Look there! The village in the distance. You can, it's so hard you can faintly see it, but I see it. Varsity Black? Ano? Or GT Black. Yung Koenigsegg Jesko Blue. Yung Koenigsegg Jesko Blue.
Kapangit yan.
Paborito ko yung car eh.
Ford truck kami. That's something. Ito, car to. Bugatti. Nissan.
Honda.
Peugeot. Mazda.
Yung Koenigsegg Blue. Koenigsegg Blue.
Ayaw mo ta?
Yung Koenigsegg Blue.
Wait, ang titingnan mo po ito. Ayaw mo? Firebird. Ayaw din. Ayaw. Ferrari. GT.
Yung one. Just bahal.
Cupra. Eurolease. Mazda. Yung Subaru. Ford Mustang GT. Blue. Honda Civic. Ferrari.
480 Honda Civic. Ferrari.
Anyways, next question. Okay, next question. Would you rather be the funniest person in the world or the
Porsche 911.
yeah, it's definitely come on. Oh my gosh!
Ano yung blue?
I mean,
Yung
weird to say.
Jesko. Yung Jesko. Yung Jesko.
Yeah.
Ay, wala rin eh. Not available.
Yung ano, sana ba yun?
Period.
Wait.
Sa iba kaya tayo magtingin. Kaya lang yung sa iba, sa Indonesia pagaling. Oh, ayan, oh, Indonesia pa, oh. Ito, Indonesia. Pero baka maganda yan.
Just get on with it. We know you really kids, okay?
Yun na lang. Wait, tingnan mo yan. Kung available ba?
Pero sa Indonesia pa to, matagal itong dadating.
12 to 15 October. Okay lang. Okay lang. Meron akong
Ha?
yan. Bye.
Pero, sige.
Apa. Sorry, I was looking for a car. Toy car. Hot Wheels. How much time is it left? Minutes? 3 minutes.
Oh, wait, God, I'm back. Are you good? That was insane. I just had to go piss Josh. JD, I don't even want to know what he does. Anyways, are we done with this yet?
I'm ready to see you step on the last one, so this is your last one. Are you serious? Go get it, fine.
So we're gonna leave now? You know what? I'm just leaving here and I'm never coming back to this house.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, he moved it down the street.
Oh, alright guys, would you rather jump out of an airplane or be in a submarine?
Both of those sound
What? No, I want to jump out of an airplane.
Nah, no way. Submarine sounds way cooler.
Alright, kind of cool. Say what? 4 against 1?
Yeah, we got the majority. Oh, true. Trying to go, huh?
Man,
Oh, good teleport. Whoa. Whoa.
alright, the submarine!
We win. This submarine's awesome.
I like this.
The other round. Every time we do that question, it takes us to exactly what it is.
Yes, but only the majority vote wins.
Oh, this submarine isn't even underwater.
I want to be in an airplane. It looks cool, though.
An airplane doesn't never been in a submarine in Minecraft before. I wonder what there is to do in this thing. It's just like a bunch of computers and stuff. There's just like a thing underwater. No, that's crazy. This is where you
Sorry.
I'm not sleeping there. I'm choosing this one because we have to stay here. This one, choosing this one. Okay, I'm sleeping. No, there's several ones for each of us.
Submarine is massive.
I know. What do you guys see on this side?
This is a signal room.
Wow. I wonder if we see any sharks outside. Do you think we can drive this thing over the water? Probably not. I doubt we can go out. Let's see. I'm gonna go to camera 1. Oh, I can see the top of the boat.
Wait, really?
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I just alerted you guys, so.